The 2025 electric tricycle camper is one of the most unique blends of compact design, eco-friendly engineering, and futuristic travel comfort we've seen so far. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the sleek aerodynamic body catches your attention. The single front wheel paired with two sturdy rear wheels gives it that distinct trike stance, while the smooth, modern curves and large panoramic windows make it feel far more premium than its size suggests. Under the body, this camper is powered entirely by an advanced electric motor system. You get a quiet, smooth ride with zero emissions, making it perfect for both city commuting and weekend getaways into nature. The battery pack offers an impressive range for its size, giving you the freedom to travel without constant charging stops. And with regenerative braking and smart energy management, you're getting top-notch efficiency. Step inside, and the surprise continues. The cabin is designed to make every inch count. Comfortable seating with high-quality upholstery gives you a relaxed space to unwind. The layout makes clever use of the small footprint, with a compact table, integrated storage, and ambient lighting that turns the camper into a cozy retreat, whether you're parked in the mountains or by the beach. Technology is another area where this tricycle camper shines. You have a digital dashboard with real-time battery monitoring, integrated navigation, and smart climate control that keeps you comfortable no matter the weather. The sound insulation is surprisingly effective, keeping the interior peaceful even in busy city streets. Driving it is an experience in itself. The light steering, smooth acceleration, and tight turning radius make maneuvering through narrow roads or parking spots effortless. And thanks to its lightweight build and electric drivetrain, it's not just efficient, it's fun to drive. The 2025 electric tricycle camper comes with a starting price of around $22,000, making it one of the more affordable entries in the compact electric camper segment. Fully loaded with premium interior finishes, extended battery range, and additional tech features, the price can climb to approximately $28,000. Overall, the 2025 electric tricycle camper is more than just a mode of transport. It's a lifestyle upgrade for travelers who want mobility, comfort, and sustainability in one compact package. Whether you're a solo adventurer or a couple looking for spontaneous weekend escapes, this vehicle proves that great adventures don't require a massive RV. Sometimes, 3 wheels are all you need.